On this episode of Gauges and Gasoline, we're deleting the resonators on my 2011 Ram. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. To another video. Today I'm going to cut the resonators off the exhaust on my truck because I want my truck to be louder, and this is actually a free mod. I'm just gonna cut them clean off.
You might be a redneck.
The pipes before the resonators already point to the ground, so I'm not even gonna waste money on turn downs. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Before we get started, I'm actually gonna go grab something to eat, and my flag's looking a little short back there, so I think it's time to put a new flag on the truck. So I'm gonna do that first. Alright, so we got some brand new Sawzall blades. Some brand new Sawzall blades. Hopefully they fit my snap-on Sawzall, I'm not sure. And a brand new American flag to fly on the truck. So let's go grab some lunch and then we're gonna install that. How long does it take? Finally move. Yes. Go. 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 Oh, come on. Ow. Just put that away. I am starving. Oh, man.
Hello, McDonald's. What can I get you today?
I'll take a large number 3 combo with a Coke. Thank you.
Double quarter-pounder meal?
Yep.
It's gonna be $6.61. Just posted that third window because I'm waiting on that quarter-pounder to come up.
Alright, thank you. McDonald's, I gotta say, this is very typical of you. Very typical. And it's starting to rain. Still waiting. You know, fast food places don't seem to be as fast as they used to be, you know what I mean? And then for the price, like, you get your combo, I'm pretty sure I can go sit in a restaurant and get my food quicker and probably pay around the same price or less, and I'm getting real beef. But for some reason, I don't know if you have the same issue, I keep coming back here. It's like I crave this crap. McDonald's, you have a secret. Tell us about your experience. Oh man, I mean, it's just, yeah, finally. Thank you. Okay. Now we feast.
I press the button and the doors go up. Oh, that money clip us got a new now looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriend's out.
So hungry right now. Oh my gosh, it's so good. What? I don't know what it is. Can't help it. Can't help it. Wow, the weather changed fast out here.
For my wins, I need my hands. paper tag. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in, and for my win.
Okay, so I got my blades, and I'm hoping they fit this guy. Come on. Ooh, it sure looks the same. I think it's gonna work. Can't open it. Okay, fine. Take it in the house. Gonna need this guy too. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Make sure you wear safety glasses when you're doing this too. Tell you what though, I sure the hell hope this sounds good, because there's no going back. Off of there. Right. Don't need that anymore. Come off. Fine. There, done. Now this is what we got. Got one coming out there, and one coming out here, and not sure if it's gonna rattle. That'll be determined. But I can tell you it's not gonna fall off the truck. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Sounds different. I don't know if it's louder yet. Let me rev it up. So I definitely noticed, I don't know if it's really much louder, but it's more raspier. It does have a different tone to it. It does sound really good, I ain't gonna lie. So this is with the windows up. We're gonna cruise on the highway and just see what it sounds like.
It's loud.
Yeah, it does. So it's a lot louder with the windows up than it was when I had the resonators on. Let's see if we can drop the windows just to kind of... Even though it's raining. Wow, that's a big difference. Let's close these windows, it's raining. It's raining. Alright, well, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, it only takes a click of your time. Hit that subscribe button. We're at 1,700 subscribers. I would really like to see it get to 2,000, and it would really, really help me grow my channel. So I'd appreciate it in advance. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.